We do FreeAppTools tutorials. Stop uploading your private documents to random servers. Here is how to convert and crop PDFs locally. Head over to freeapptools.co and select our PDF to image tool to get started. Our tool supports bulk processing. Simply drag and drop your PDF files directly into the browser. The tool instantly renders every page of your documents into a high-quality image gallery. Need to clean things up? Click crop on any image to adjust the frame. We'll square this one up to remove the header and footer. You don't have to wait. You can download individual images as soon as you're done editing them. The interactive cropper is perfect for extracting specific sections, charts, or signatures from long legal documents. Notice how fast it is. Since everything is happening locally on your computer, there's zero upload or download lag. Finished with your edits? Hit download all at the top to grab every image in a single, organized zip file. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more free utility tool tutorials. See you next time.